guys, this is Shraddha here from Creative Edges. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and to share and like this video. Today I'm going to make this mini album and a carding card, you can say, from TaylorMade's Card for You, One Lucky Day. So I have taken this sheet of paper. It's an old sheet I used several times and it's all dirty with the paints and everything, not like that. So I cut it into like 4 by 12 inches, and now I'm going to fold it into 3 parts in zigzag manner, or you can say in the accordion card form. So I'm going to make this mini accordion album with mixed media technique. So first of all, I'm going to use my sprays and I'm going to spray all over the surface of one side of the sheet. So I'm using my iCraft sprays. You can use any sprays you have, okay, so you can use it. And after that, I'm just applying my wet brush over it and I'm going to spread this color all over the surface. And don't worry about it if it's get more dirty or not aligned or something like that, because it's mixed media, so don't worry about it. Okay, after painting it, let's get it dry, and then we are going to decorate each side. Okay, so I'm going to do a little zoom, and I'm using my distress inks for that as well, in different colors. As you can see, it's my new Tim Holtz mixed media matte, and I'm very happy with that. It's all glassy and it's easier to work with. So I'm going to now apply it all over the surface. Before that, I'm using the TaylorMade Cards for You cardstock. I already printed them in the sheet of paper this time, and I'm going to paste at different places. So I'm going to paste with my glue, craft glue, because it's a paper, so it's easier to get pasted. So I'm going to paste on different sides of it. So I have different designs in the same color with TaylorMade Cards for You. If you want these sheets, you can simply go into the description and click on their website. You can get it from there. And now I'm pasting these pieces as well, and I'm going to do that quickly. Okay, so the last piece as well, I'm going to do it. The next thing is I'm using my acrylic paint. You can use the gesso, white gesso. I'm using white acrylic paint. I'm going to blend this edges with my surface, but as you can see, my surface is not white, so it's gonna looks like an outline, but it's okay. We are doing mixed media, so as far as that, I'm very happy. So let's quickly do that. Applying my distress inks all over the place, and I'm just using my brush. You can apply if you like it. If you want to use something else, you can. I'm just giving the shading. I'm going to decorate or transform pages of this my mini album. So I'm using my sprays now. I'm also going to use the Lindy spray. Using my TaylorMade's Card for You digital paper. So I'm going to paste its die cuts, which I already cut in the shapes. You can get this paper from TaylorMade Cards for You website. You can check the link in description below and you can buy from it. And now I'm going to paste everything one by one. I'm just making the layers and everything, as you can see. After pasting it, I'm going to decorate other two sides of my album as well, and it's on you how you want to decorate it, but it's too easy to do that. So I'm quickly gonna do other sides of my album as well. Again, I'm using my distress ink, and with the help of little bit water, I'm just applying this color here and there and giving it look like the cover of my album, accordion album. I hope you're enjoying this tutorial. Please do check out others tutorials as well. Now I'm using my tag punch and I created one tag, and you can use any tag you like. Quickly, I'm going to decorate my second page of the accordion album. I'm using TaylorMade Cards for You, One Lucky Day. paper pack. You can get it from their website, as I said. The links in the description below. Again, I'm just reminding you guys, if you like, you can buy from here. And now I'm just going to make this pocket here, and I'm going to put the tag inside. And before doing that, you can also stamp your tag like with the word celebrate. I'm doing little decoration of the tag, and then I'm going to just put over here. Now let's quickly decorate rest of the part of accordion album, and then we will switch to the other side of it. Last thing I did, I just apply a little bit sequences here and there. You can use the shakers or whatever you have, and it's gonna give little nice look to it. So just apply it. So the other side of it is like that. First I took the jute sheet over here, and I'm going to paste it. If you don't have like heavy gel medium, you can always use the texture paste. I'm going to apply the texture paste here, and I'm going to create the background, the jute, with the jute sheet. And the second one I'm going to create the background with is my cheesecloth. I'm going to paste it with heavy gel medium. I have all the things, but just to show you that you can use this instead of that. So I'm going to just apply my heavy gel medium by MX, and I'm just going to apply over it and let it dry for the some time, because these things takes time to get dry. So I'm applying ample amount of it. It's on you how you want to apply. Even the small portion will also work, but mine is getting a little bit dry, so I'm applying more of it. Okay. I'm using the texture paste to paste it. It's totally depends on you guys how you want to do it, but it's a easy mini tutorial like how you can transform your simple used sheet into the mini album, and it's great to transfer all these things. For the middle part of this side, I make the simple card which can open, and I'm going to paste it in the middle portion of it, so it will look great. Now lastly, the last page, I'm just going to paste this thing. First I'm going to apply the spray, and then I'm going to apply the another one, and then I'm going to let it dry. If you're enjoying the video, please do thumbs up, subscribe and share. Guys, it's totally depend on you how you want to create it, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please do check out other artists' tutorial and do participate in our challenge. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching it. Thanks for stopping by.